Today with Josh from Complete Campers Southwest, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean. So let's get into it. Here we have the absolutely stunning 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean. Brilliant in the two-tone, and it is, as you would expect for a vehicle that was made this year, it is absolutely immaculate. It's done just less than 6,000 miles. As we go around the van, I'll let you know of anything that you might not see, might not know about, or might not be aware of on this specific camper van. But as always, check out the website. On there, you'll find a full breakdown of everything this one's got on it. And on the website, you'll find many more pictures as well. So as we come around to this side, the driver's side of the vehicle, you've got double sliding doors, so you can go right through the van. You'll notice up here, you've got the pop top up. It is an electric pop top, so make your life so much easier. As we come inside the driver's side, you've got a lovely full digital display here. You've got all your auto light controls down here. Again, all touch sensitive. All your steering wheel controls. On your infotainment system here, you can see connect your phone. You've got park assist, start and AC. You've got sat nav, Apple CarPlay, all of that good stuff on here as well. And again, it's all touch screen. You can also download the California app on your phone as well. And as I say, this one is an automatic. So again, this is your automatic gear stick here. And by having it simple like that, it gives you so much more space inside the cab area, which is really, really nice. As we come around to the rear of the vehicle, you've got a reversing camera on the top of your tail lift. Down here, these are your standard California chairs. They store away really, really nicely up here. And this one zips up. Dead easy. So again, stores away nice and neat. At the bottom, you've got reversing sensors, and you also have a tow bar, which you control by this little button here. And there is your tow bar. So again, easy as that. It folds away, so you don't have to have it out all the time. At the back here, you've got your filler point for your water tank. This is your mattress for your bed. It gives you a really lovely big bed. And you can see on the floor, you've got the rails. That's so that you can move your seats forwards and backwards. And you can even take them out if you so wish as well. As we come around to the other side of the vehicle, you'll notice you've got a two-lay wind-out awning. That's going to be great for when the sun's shining like this. You can get that one out and you can sit outside and make the most of your new camper van. But let's go and have a look inside. So this is, as you would expect with any Volkswagen, it is a 4-berth with 4 travelling belts. So you've got your 2 in the front. Both of these will turn full 180 degrees. As you come inside, you've got these 2 seats here. You can have these independently wherever you want on the rails, but these will also slide forwards, drop these ones back, and then your mattress will come on the top. Facility wise in this one, you've got your single burner gas hob and your sink there. Your fridge is just here. It's a pull-out fridge. Again, loads and loads of storage in this one. So it's going to be perfect for all those trips away. You've got storage at the back here, and you've got more storage elsewhere in the van. In the back, you've got climate control, and again, it's all touch sensitive with the California and the Volkswagen logo. As you can see, you can check on here, you can change your lights, and again, it's all touch screen. Makes life so much easier. Because it is a 4-berth, it means your second sleeping area is up in the top, which again is so straightforward. Pull this one down, and there you have your lovely big bed with lights in the back as well. So if you wanted to do some reading, you're able to do so. And then to pop him up is as easy as that. And this is the 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean. Now, it's worth remembering that every vehicle that's bought through Complete Campers Southwest, we supply a nationwide mechanical and habitation warranty on every single vehicle. We also offer finance and part exchange options on every vehicle as well. Don't forget to check out the website. On there, you'll find any new information that we need to share with you, and also any exciting new vehicles that we have coming into stock. My name's Josh, and this is the 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean. Thanks for watching.